Hello, I am capital letter C.
Hi, letter C. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter C.
Hi, small letter C. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am the curious letter C. That's who I am.
C, C, C. Let's say C.
We are the curious C's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. C, C, C. Let's clap our hands to letter C.
C, C, C. Let's clap our hands to letter C.
Who are you?
I am Cleo, the Curious Cowboy Cat. I am traveling in the Colorado desert.
My name is Cleo. I am a cowboy cat. I am traveling in the Colorado desert. I am very, very curious.
What is this?
I start words like cake.
Cake. Cake. Let's say cake. What is that?
It's a cow. C is for cat. That meows and jumps. C is for camel with a wobbly hump.
What is that?
C is for carrot. Crunch, crunch. C is for cabbage. Munch, munch. C is for caterpillar. Crawling on a branch.
Who are you?
I am crab. I am so cool.
C is for cactus, prickly and green. Don't sit on me. You know what I mean.
C is for cookies, crunchy and round. They disappear when kids are around. C is for crocodile, so brave and green. C is for car that goes so fast, zooming by with a beep beep blast. C is for camera, click click click, taking pictures fast and quick. C is for cake, so sweet to eat. Yum, yum, it's all gone. C is for castle, where the princess lives, a place of magic and sudden tricks. C is for coffee for grown-ups to sip. C is for cocoa, a warm, tasty treat. Don't sip it fast. Ah, it's hot enough. C is for clown, nose so red, a silly face, laughs ahead. C is for candle, shining bright, glowing softly in the night.
What do you see in the Colorado desert?
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter C today. Cat, cactus, and camel. Hooray!
See you next time. Don't be late.
For letter F, it will be great.